Good morning, everybody. Today, I will teach you the Mumbai musician. English text and Mumbai musician. Mumbai musician, it is in the page number 128. Actually, whatever chapter I am teaching you, only this much chapter you will read for your PT2. Okay, 128. Mumbai musicians. Please open your textbook. So here, once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Gofu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane. From the farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. Farmer said to Gofu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." So Gofu smiled and said goodbye. He set off towards the city of Mumbai. Set off means just leave, okay? Leave for journey. I am good at music. I'll go to Mumbai and be a musician there. Some persons, some animals also here. This is a very funny story. They are also having dream. Then they can go to the Mumbai and they will become musicians. Okay. So that is their dream. On the way, he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Gofu. "I am going to Mumbai to be musician. Would you like to come too?" asked Gofu. "Yes, I would," replied Gofu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. So Gofu also joined in this journey. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. Ball of fur means very soft things. "So who are you?" they asked. "I am Fury," like furry. Not furry, I am furry. "The cat," said the cat. "Would you like to come with us and become a musician?" asked Gofu and Gofu together. So they are also calling to the furry. "Oh, I would like to come alone," replied furry. So off went to three together to become Mumbai musicians. So they also like to go Mumbai. Then soon they met Kaku, the cock. "Kaku, the cock, I love music and wish to join your band." Actually, they want to, also they were thinking they will make one band and they can sing and play music, some musical instruments. They all reached a house with a light. They were tired and hungry. They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. So the delicious food, the tasty food, they decided to sing to let the people inside know that they were musicians. Look, the donkey was singing, a dog was singing, and also cat and cuckoo and the cock. So how they will feel? So what they had felt, they sang. The people inside thought the ghost had come to scare them. Actually, how imagine their voice. They were shouting too much loudly and they were thinking they were singing the music. And also so what did that people inside the house do? They ran away as fast as they could. So they were thinking that ghost had come. Gofu, Dofu and Fadi went to the house and ate the food. Nihan, if you are having problem, please tell me that, ma'am, I am having problem that I cannot listen properly to you. But please don't remove me. Why are you removing? So Nihan, Shamridha, I have already written the page number. So Nihan, what is this? Susan, okay, if you have completed the project, I will tell the submission date. No problem, beta. But Nihan, please don't do. Yes, I have seen that. Here, everything we can see that. That BMS Skype, that Nihan just removed BMS Skype. So please don't do like this. So here, that Mumbai musicians, they are also doing like this. Okay. So what they had done? They were singing loudly and everybody was thinking that they scared. That ghost had come there to their house and they scared too much. They were scared too much. So here after that what happened? Gofu, Dofu and Fadi went into the house and ate the food because they were too much hungry. And till they could eat no more, means it was too much food. There were too much food on the table. So they had taken all the food. And here just they could eat no more. And after that you can imagine that they can also did like this, okay? So here some words are there. Tired musician peeped delicious ghost, okay, and scare. So here tired means he was too tired, very weak also you can write, and exhausted by work. Mumbai musicians and tired, exhausted by work. Number 2, musicians people who played musical instruments and sing also. Number 2, Rithojit. Now Rithojit is removed. Okay, Rithojit removed me. Okay, so I can see here who has removed me. So here musical instrument, people who played musical instrument and sing. Next, that delicious. Delicious. Delicious means tasty. Then next, also scare or peeped. P-E-P-E-D. That looked hidingly. And next, scared. Scare means frightened. Can you see me, Firoj? Susan, can you see me? Yes or no? Okay. So next, page number 132. Okay, done. Why did the farmer tell Gofu to see the world? Please write the question answer. Why did the farmer tell Gofu to see the world? See the world. Answer is there. The farmer told this because scare means frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Okay. So the farmer told this because Gofu worked Gofu would be too old after some days, and he had worked to the farmer. He had worked to the farmer very nicely. So farmer had given chance to see the world. Question number 2. Here the farmer told this because Gofu would be too old after some days, and he had worked to the farmer or farmer's farm or anything to the farmer very nicely. So he had given this opportunity. So next, question number 2 I am writing. Why did Gofu, Dofu and Fari want to go to the Mumbai? Question number 2. Why did Gofu, Dofu and Fari want to go to the Mumbai? Answer is that they wanted to become musicians. So they had gone to Mumbai. So they wanted to become musicians. Why did the people in the house ran away? Number 3. Why did the people in the house ran away? They were afraid and they thought that ghost had come to their house. So they were frightened, they were afraid, and they were afraid and they thought that ghost had come to their house. So this is the question answer. And next page, here some sort out these things, pick out the words from the bags and put them in the right. The one has been done for you. Okay, and worked so many days and worked. Okay, Shomagni, and worked nicely. So many days, or you can write the so many days after working nicely. After so many days, you have to add one and. Okay, beta? So here, page number, here, short I, short E, leg. Another things you can also nest. Okay, nest, and here, bell, short I, pig, dice, lip, line, I'm just telling, long E, deep, tree, shade, only this much, and smile, long I, smile, here, line, dice, like this, okay. Delicious means tasty, T-A-S-T-Y, tasty, very tasty. Worked and worked nicely, okay, Pratyushna worked nicely, and worked nicely, N-I-C-E-L-Y. So, here, page number, Pratyushna, have you completed question? Answer number 2, yes or no? Musician, I have written, musician means those who played musical instruments. Those who played musical instruments and also sing. No problem for that. Those who played musical instrument and sing. Page number 134. Here, do you play any musical instrument? If you know, you know. And peeped means hiding, look hidingly. Uki mere dekha. In Bengali, we are telling uki mere dekha. Okay, looked hidingly. Then 134, some opposite gender. Mother, you can write in the gaps, father. Then uncle, aunt. Then lion, lioness. Then king, queen. Then king, queen, and after that man, women. Here I am writing women and grandmother. Grandmother. So this much is that. After that I will do here page number 137. I will write for that YouTube class. Please try to that. And here sitar, tabla, flute, dafli, iktara, guitar, shenai. Where is that? You can play with fingers. Guitar you can play, you can write, beta. No problem. So page number 138, three circles are there. 3 circles. That instrument play with fingers. Fingers. You can write sitar and iktara, dholok. String instruments, that is also. Tabla also you can, and blow into that flute. Flute and instrument you, string instrument also, that sitar, iktara, guitar, violin. Okay, fingers, tabla, dholok, sitar, iktara. These 4. Okay, I am just telling first one, tabla, sitar, iktara, dholok, violin. And string instruments, violin, sitar, iktara, guitar. And also blow into flute and sehenai. Dafli also fingers you can write. Okay, so please write, and after that I will tell. Here page number 138 also, newspaper, school bag, toothpaste, you can add and write. Flute finger not, flute blow into. Third, violin, string instruments. Violin, string means tar. Okay, string instruments, string instruments. And fingers, tabla, sitar, dafli, iktara, guitar. This 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for the fingers, string instrument 1, 2, 3, 4, and blow into only 2. Flute and shehnai. Okay. So today this much. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Those who are in my class, please let me see. Dibbojyoti, Nihan, Pratyushna, Purbayon, Rithojit, Samriddho, Saptarshi Malik, Shivam Roy, Shrestha, Sheikh Chand, Firoz Haq, Somagni, Sujan De, Upasya Doloi. Okay, beta, ghost means that spirit, S-P-I-R-I-T, and in Bengali, bhoot. Okay, so please write. Page number 137, any problem? Page number 137, first one I have just told that instruments play with fingers. Again I am telling tabla, dafli, sitar, iktara, guitar. And dholok also, fingers you can play. And string instruments, violin, guitar, sitar, iktara, are blow into sehenai and flute. Please write. Okay, thank you beta. Have a nice day. If you are having any problem, please write to my e-portal.